Today we are going to identify some rocks that one of my mom's friends that lives in Nashville, he sent me this rock, and he asked me if I could identify them. This one is not. We just had this in a little rock collection jar.
So what do we think his rock is?
His rock is, we think it is gypsum.
Okay.
And this one we don't know about. And this one is, calcite.
Yeah, it's calcite.
And so if it is calcite, then it will react to this acid when I put a drop on there.
What acid is that?
Hydrochloric acid.
Yes, very good.
And so, what?
No, you're fine.
And we're going to drop it on each one of these rocks. And if it doesn't react, then we're pretty sure this one is gypsum. And if we drop it on here, and it does react, then it means that's calcite. And if it doesn't react, then it's gypsum.
Okay, so you're going to drip it on the calcite first, and what's going to happen to the calcite? If this is indeed calcite, what will happen?
If this is indeed calcite, it will fizz.
Fizz.
See that it's fizzing?
Ooh, you see the bubbles.
Yeah, look, there's like steam coming off of that.
Okay, so it is indeed calcite.
It is indeed
Okay.
calcite. I'm going to spill this whole thing on here.
No, it's not. Okay, now this. It'll eat away your rock, remember, because it's turning it into a gas. Which gas?
Let me see. What was it again? Carbon dioxide.
Yes. And then, okay, you ready to do this one?
This one, we're pretty sure is gypsum. It ain't fizzing.
It ain't fizzing. All right, so that means, and you also did a couple of other tests on this rock too, like you determined what?
Like, I determined, like, this one is scratchy. You can scratch it with your fingernail after you wash it off.
And if you can scratch it with your fingernail, then it is.
It is not quartz.
That's true. That's right. It's not quartz.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Matt, we have identified your rock, and it is?
This one?
The one that Mr. Matt sent us.
Oh, it is gypsum.
Very